Well, what about that right there? Daytime road closures, 116 to 331. Well, let's just go down here and see if it's closed. It's February 26, 2023. I'm on the F3T. It's been a year, I'm telling you. It's just the start. I'll tell you a little bit about myself. Maybe they were just removing the trees. Boom, clear them. I get it. So I work from home, and like a lot of people right now, still maybe. I gave up my car because I don't drive it any, and I have my 2 Can-Am Spiders and a little single-cylinder dual sport, and I track my mileage. You know, there's an app that tracks my mileage, and it separates it between an automotive trip where I'm in a car or a trip that I'm on the Spider. And so far this year, I think I got to remember, I'm at 62 or 82. So I'm between 62 and 82 miles in a car. That's it. I'm driven and or ridden. This year so far. And I live in Ohio, and it has been warmer, but this is, you know, a northern state where they throw salt. I have ridden over 1,200 miles, not counting what I'm going to get in today. This kind of sucks that they're cutting the woods back. I get why they're doing it, but it made this road just epic. You know, because you want to see. You don't want an animal jump out in front of you. But it was epic. Coming down through here, nice twisty road. You take it at speed. It was just a canopy of trees, and it was gorgeous, and it's just sad now. It's still a great road. It's just, I don't know. I get why they do it. I just don't like it. I don't like it. So, I mean, look how gorgeous this is. It's just love this part of the state of Ohio. I'm in the Zalaski State Forest, heading down to Lake Hope. I think I'm in the forest already. If not, we're going to say I am. It's just nice. It's nice. But yeah, you know, I don't drive anywhere anymore. And if I do go somewhere, I'm on my Spider. And still, I mean, I'm not. That just shows you how little I get out. Maybe. I don't know. It shows you how little I'm in a car, definitely. And I think last year was the least I've ridden. And I don't know why yet. I think it just, you know, just a lot of things. I had a friend that I used to work with when I was in the shop, and his dad was like, one day, son, let me tell you, you know, you're just not going to put the miles on that you're doing now. I think the highest I ever did was like 19,000 a year. And last year I was like at 8,000. Which I guess is still a lot. Ah, it's gorgeous back up in there. Hopefully you can see up in there. Hey, don't worry about the road. The Spider will just, it goes all by itself. You can just, you know, you can just scenically look, and the Spider knows. So we'll see. We'll see what I get this year. I'm still concerned about my right hip and my lower back. I went for a ride the other day, and I only put down like 190 miles, and you know, it didn't like that too well. So today, since it's a Sunday, I gotta go to work tomorrow. I decided, instead of bringing the old F3, which is normally what I ride when it's nasty out, but there's no salt. We haven't had salt down for a minute. It's rained, so I can ride the 2020 here. But yeah, normally I'm on the black F3, but I'm not, because this has floorboards and it's a little bit more comfortable. Come Can we see that? It is the old iron mill. The blast furnace, I guess you could say. Pretty cool. A lot of cool things down here. And with it being, I don't know, noontime, Spider's telling me it's 8:43. I gotta go through and reset all that. There's gonna be no traffic. And then Lake Hope's just down the road here. And then there's an old, I don't want to even call it abandoned, I guess it is abandoned, train tunnel down off the left, somewhere in those woods. I want to get there one day, but yeah, here, look, Lake Hope. Oh, the water is low. Why is the water so low? Why are all the trees down? Maybe they dropped the level, they cut some trees, they're going to pull the trees off the banks. I know they're working on the dam down here. Wow, that is like 8 feet, 10 feet. Here you go, new dam. Oh, it looks like they're putting in a new spillway. I get it. Drop that water level instead of dry docking it. Maybe they still dry docked it, I don't know. Putting in a new spillway. Free kittens, anybody? But yeah, even the marshland over here is super low. Hey, duckies. Hey, ducks. Quack, 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 quack. I am really not... Just take the bars, people. Just take the bars and point me where I need to be. This is about the most ridiculous I've ridden in a long time. And all it is, I'm not... I mean, I guess I am now. I don't know. I'm just... it's been a minute since I've been on this road, and I'm just looking. Okay. You guys saw that, right? That wasn't a figment in my imagination. A guy just walking beside his golf cart. Do they roll that easy? The things you see. I don't even know where I want to go yet. I am still just riding. I'm down to, I get one day a week where I get a big ride. So I've been out for an hour and I still don't even know where I want to go yet. Welcome to my mind. Oh, the sun's coming out. This is going to be nice. Woke up this morning and my mom calls. She's like, oh, it's a nice sunny day out. And I'm like, no, it's not. It's cloudy. And she absolutely lives less than a mile and a half. It's like a mile and a quarter from my house. So I was like, it's going to be cloudy, but look, sun. I dig it. Oh, look, and I'm riding better. I'm up at speed. You just need a little sun on you sometimes. The trees are blooming. You see that? February 26th. Now, this is what's going to happen. I live in the state of Ohio. It will make up for the temperature. So it's been really wonderful. Look at this, how gorgeous that is. Just marshland, wetland. This is what's going to happen. It's going to turn into like April, May, June. And, you know, I'll be wanting to set up the swimming pool and get out for long rides on the weekend. And it's going to snow. That's what Ohio does. And then at the end of the year, they're going to be like, yep, averaged out the same as last year. Welcome to Ohio. we'll give you a lot warmer January and February, but we're going to take it once it's supposed to warm up. Merry Christmas, people. And I still have not done anything with this battery yet. I need to yank this battery out and get it tested. Man, I just don't believe that this thing's less than 2 years old and it's bad. I cleaned the connections and it didn't do a thing. So the next thing to do is get it out, get it up to Advanced Auto Parts, I think is what's by my house. They have Medtronics. They will test it, and more likely I'll be buying a new battery, and then I can set my clock. 52 degrees. So it's probably right around 50 degrees right now. I mean, I have my heated gear. You can see the wire. It's not hooked up. I don't have the troller on. You know, it just score. Just as I have the hiccups once again. Everybody's at church, leaving the roads nice and free. Now, I've gone right. Right's pretty cool. They make dynamite down that way. So I normally go that way, but I'm just going to follow this down to 50, I think. Look at that old building. I love that old building. I don't know why. Wouldn't that be cool to have like a little restaurant, hotel, you know, all the roads to ride down through here? That'd be cool. What do we got? Road will be closed Jan 16th. Okay. The other road was supposed to be closed too, so let's just find out. This nice little creek. All right, everybody. Let's see if I get my cheeks a moving here. Blah blah blah. So I left everybody. We just left Lake Hope. So we might as well just finish this off with one more lake. This is Burr Oak. Look how pretty it is. Oh, that kind of sucked standing up there for a sec. Oh, it's all the Canadian geese. It's just gorgeous. I guess I should pay attention where I'm going, huh? Go ahead and crank this bad boy back around. Lakeview Trail. Yeah, I love riding where there's water. I really hope I can get back down to Florida on one of my spiders. Cruise down the A1A between St. Augustine and Flagler. It's really pretty. Maybe even all the way down into Daytona. Got the ocean if you're heading south. Got the ocean on the left. So there we go. That's my ride. Now I'm gonna meander my way home. I've used a half a tank. Don't know how many miles. We got 18,156 on this and 80,000 on the other. That's a lot. That's a lot of riding. So I'll let everybody go and stay safe, everybody. See you down the road. It's time for some music.